Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over how I made $429 as a 16-hour day trader. Alright, let's get right into it. So as you can see, these are my chart executions. Entered right here, took partials right here, and then exited fully at my draw on liquidity, as you can see up here. I mean, that's my trade. There you go. There's some proof. But yeah, we'll get right into the trade easy. I'm actually able to get a $3,800 payout as well, which is pretty sick. And if you convert it to Australian dollars, which is 5,800 Australian dollars, but 3,800 USD, which is kind of crazy if you ask me. But yeah, let's get right into the trade recap on why I took this trade. All right. So let's just start off. We'll go to TradingView actually. Actually, no, I'll do it here. So if we going into today, I was overall more bullish. You might be wondering why. I mean, look, we've just been displacing a high. The drawn liquidity is all-time highs. That is the overall high time frame drawn liquidity. If you ask me, that's what I would have to say. I'll just make this a bit smaller so you guys can see more screen. Is that better? All right. Okay. So yeah, but my drawn liquidity was all-time highs, but I know price isn't gonna get to all-time highs instantly. So what did I do? I mean, I'm looking for an internal. What would I target next? So I was of course bullish going into the day, and I realized that we also created 1 hour gaps here. So I just marked out these 1 hour gaps, and my drawn liquidity was the all-time high. Not really. It was Asia high technically. It was Asia high because I was more bullish. And what I want to see price come back down at right here into this 1 hour fair value gap. I actually slept through market open. I got up at like 1 a.m., which is around like what time is it for you guys? It's like 10 a.m. There you go. It's 10 a.m. for New York. So if I go to the 5 minute time frame, let's see right here. So market opened right here, displaced up, came down, took our sell side, which is London lows right here. What do we do then? We also pulled back into our hourly time frame. So I want to see a continuation back up. We've taken our sell side, pulled back to a high time frame fair value gap as well. This is even better, and I want to see continuations back up. So either I can take one, my waffle reversal model, two, my waffle continuation model. If I had entered right here, that would be my waffle reversal model. But I entered here on the 5 minute pullback. That's my waffle continuation model. So what do I see? We see come down here. We swept liquidity London lows before I actually woke up as well. So I actually never saw this, but we came down one more time to take out internal liquidity. As you can see, boom, right there. One more sweep of liquidity, and what do we see? Start getting displacement higher. It wasn't that fast, so I didn't want to really enter. I woke up at around 1 a.m. for us, and I'll show you what I guys saw. So as you can see, we started displacing up. I actually went break even today as well. Right here, I took it on an NQ. I entered around right here. I went up, came back down, break even. So that was fine as well. And then I was still bullish. I was 100% bullish on the day. So I really did want to see longs today. Not shorts or anything like that. So I did re-enter. Normally I would just take one trade, hop off for the day, one or two trades. But I was actually convinced we were bullish. So I was waiting. I saw ES had faster displacement. So I actually did move to ES right now. And what do I see? I see price come back down, tap into it, and look, reversals already made, reversals already having price come back down. And what I want to see? I want to see price continuation back up. So what do I want to see? I want to see a pullback of some sort into a 5 minute gap. So what do we see? We see a pullback right here into this 5 minute gap right here. Then I drop down to the 1 minute time frame. And what do I look for? I look for the highest time frame inversion as well. So if I go to the 5 minute time frame, this was actually the highest time frame inversion. This inverse fair value gap. This is what I want to see get inverse. It did get inverse. I actually didn't enter because I didn't clock that this is the highest time frame inversion. So what did I do since I never ever clocked that? I pretty much just took this one right here, this CIST, 1 minute CIST. We also had this 1 minute IFEG as well. So boom, I saw fast displacement. What I do, I enter on the candle closure above the CIST when I target my drawn liquidity of Asia highs. I could have probably entered a lot earlier, to be honest. Like I could have probably entered like down here on the 5 minute inversion, made a bit more, maybe like $500-600 today, even $700. Or I could have entered down here as well in the peak reversal, but I was sleeping, so it's fine. But I did take my continuation model back up, 5 minute pullback, as you can see, fast displacement, boom, 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 break even at the internal high, and then my full TP at my drawn liquidity of Asia high. Why? Because I was overall more bullish. There you go. That's pretty much the trade I took. Easy, quick, and simple. Nothing overcomplicated. You want to keep your trading simple. It was a nice continuation, 5 minute pullback, everything. As you can see, executions right here. It's nothing. It was nothing that hard. It was a pretty simple trade, guys. I was being patient. I mean, if you took a trade during the first 30 minutes of market open, you might have taken a loss potentially. Hopefully not, because price did manipulate down lower, of course. But yeah, and also another thing, we did have the generated liquidity here. So I did want to see that get taken out as well. But other than that, there was nothing like really crazy about today. simple, easy continuation trade. Also, another thing, we didn't have any 15-minute gaps next to us, so that's why this would be considered a continuation trade as well, not reversal, because reversal already happened, and then I technically, if you consider it, is a continuation back up, as you can see here. But it's a mixture of both models. They both kind of overlap each other at times, like this today. But overall, both the models are they're pretty similar. They can overlap, but yeah, this is how I made $429 today. Could have made a bit more, close to like $600-700, but it's calm. Whatever happens, happens. But I'm happy on my day. Took my money easy, one break even, one win trade, and I'm eligible for a $3,800 USD payout. But yeah, that's my trade recap. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. If you guys do want to learn the waffle model, link in description. If you go to my Instagram, link in bio on my Instagram. I do have link to my Discord where I'll be starting to release more content, free content, and also to my premium members as well. I'll be launching that as well soon. I'm starting to record videos and all that and stuff. So if you guys do want to join the Discord, link I'll give a little thing in link in description. You can click on that, and yeah. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Take care, guys. Enjoy, relax, and I'll see you tomorrow. Laters, guys.